Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the place where smart kitchen solutions meet everyday convenience. Let's be honest, whether you're meal prepping for the week, saving leftovers, or freezing soups and stews for later, a good set of freezer-safe food storage containers can literally change the game in your kitchen. No more freezer burn, no more messy spills, and no more wasting space with flimsy boxes. Today, we've rounded up the top 5 best freezer food storage containers in 2025. These sets are durable, leak-proof, microwave-safe, and designed to make your life easier. From family meal preps to quick lunches on the go, these containers will help you stay organized and keep your food fresh longer. Stick around till the end because our number 1 pick is a must-have for every home kitchen. Number 5. Prep Naturals 50-pack meal prep containers. If you're someone who meal preps for the entire week, the Prep Naturals 50-pack meal prep containers is going to be your best friend. This huge set comes with 50 reusable 25-ounce containers that are 100% BPA-free and safe for the freezer, microwave, and dishwasher. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, making them perfect for portioning out meals ahead of time, whether that's lunches for work, dinners for the week, or even snacks for the kids. The lids snap on securely, preventing spills and keeping food fresh even after being frozen. What's really impressive is their versatility. You can freeze soups and stews, reheat pasta dishes, or pack salads on the go. They're compact and stackable, so you'll also save a ton of space in your fridge or freezer. For busy families or anyone on a health journey, these containers are a total lifesaver. Number 4. JoyServe Deli Food Storage Containers 48 Sets. The JoyServe 48-piece set is a powerhouse for anyone who needs variety. It includes both quart-sized 32-ounce and pint-sized 16-ounce, giving you flexibility depending on what you're storing. Perfect for soups, sauces, or meal preps, these BPA-free containers are airtight, freezer-safe, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-safe. The lids snap tight for leak-proof storage, which makes them ideal for carrying meals to work, packing school lunches, or stacking in the freezer. With 48 containers in total, you're getting excellent value. Plus, because they're reusable, you'll save money compared to constantly buying disposable options. Whether you're batch cooking or just want to keep your fridge organized, JoyServe gives you both convenience and quality in one affordable package. Number 3. Gusto 32-ounce plastic deli containers 24-pack. Simple, reliable, and effective, the Gusto 32-ounce plastic deli containers are perfect for storing large portions of soups, stews, and leftovers. This 24-count pack features sturdy containers with airtight lids that keep your food fresh and free from leaks. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them highly versatile for daily use. The clear design also makes it easy to see what's inside, so no more mystery containers hiding in the back of your freezer. Customers love how well these containers handle temperature changes. They won't crack easily, even after repeated freezing and reheating. If you want durable deli-style storage without breaking the bank, Gusto delivers exactly that. Number 2. Durahome 32-ounce quart deli containers 24-pack. If premium quality is what you're after, the Durahome 32-ounce quart deli containers are a fantastic choice for this list. These containers are designed to be leak-proof, freezer-safe, and microwavable, making them ideal for soups, sauces, and big batch cooking. The lid snaps snugly to prevent spills, and the heavy-duty plastic ensures long-lasting durability. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these containers can be reused many times without losing their shape or sealing power. One of the biggest benefits, they're stackable, which means maximum freezer space efficiency. For meal preppers or families who love to cook in bulk, Durahome offers the perfect balance of sturdiness, safety, and convenience. Freshware 32-ounce food storage containers 24 set. At the top of our list is the Freshware 24 set of 32-ounce food storage containers, and for good reason. These are hands down one of the most versatile and reliable options on the market. Each container is BPA-free, stackable, reusable, leak-proof, and safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, freezing soups, or even packing lunch for the office, Freshware does it all. What sets them apart is their superior durability and airtight lids, which keep your food fresher for longer. Unlike some cheaper brands, these won't warp in the dishwasher or crack in the freezer. With 32-ounce capacity, they're the perfect size for individual meals or family-sized portions. If you want a storage solution that's affordable, reusable, and built to last, Freshware is easily the best freezer food storage container set in 2025. And there you have it, the top 5 best freezer food storage containers of 2025. From bulk sets to premium deli-style options, these containers make meal prepping, freezing, and reheating easier than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen product reviews. Tell us in the comments, do you meal prep for the week or just store leftovers? Thanks for watching and happy cooking!